Kontobon 2024-2025 Ghana Premier League Week 6 outstanding game. Gelbani, the Congolese international, Odiama Justice Billy Atonobwasi, Piabon de Akwa Saka Dauda Piadia Konfifin, back to Dauda the ball call Dauda Baptist Ota Nsotrema Nafi Accra Lions 5 games and Wata Adama Kotoko way and in the 6 appearance this season. Etema Kumasi Asante Kotoko, he is also the captain. Onona Capito Adema the Porcupine Warriors, Gelbani O'Neill, Justice Blay Play Antima Fabonanko Abetaduma Piadiama Dennis Amoa Dennis Boxunum Dennis Boxun Asunabi. Oh, we're seeing it to be live on Metro TV. Delta Nasudabi a corner kick ko Etiama Kumasi Asante Kotoko. They are yet to score our Legon Sports Stadium. Corner kick Edema Kotoko. Emmanuel Anchi and Ejinachiri. Emmanuel Anchi, former Olympics. So about 10-10 the bona chance goalkeeper na pimbone for Kotoko a chance now so there be pass 90 man kwa samba be Emmanuel Anchi. Anchi about 10-10 now so there be. I throw in your two tia Ali do now so there be. A goal kick a ball Ediatia Legon Cities goalkeeper Frederick Asare and a Piabon. The leading marksman Edema Kotoko Abet Amoa. The last 3 games Nina Osego Edema Kumasi Asante Kotoko no Korea Abet Amoa Korea and Abomodia. Oye leading top scorer Edema Kotoko, a chance for Kumasi Asante Kotoko 8 box on Kotoko. Now see a man crime and Fabonanko, Ali to Mohammed Bonatente de Akoma, William Kwakweje, Nanso Dabi, Gelbani Ona Dongani, Samba.
The only thing that Ubunya and say, you need not to miss any chance that Ubenya in a game, especially Ushe Baby Awoda in the league log and points at Wukuta. Always be you need to be clinical upfront. Abranti and the Dennis Adoma. Any Abranti and the Albert Yabua, a William Kwakwaje, any Kwakwaje. These 4 players and the Betimia Meki, Bobo Kwanidi and the Legon Cities victory tonight. Sir Ali Dumont, I build up on that kind of decisive passes. Namunyana Mansha, Mama Cosnente.
A chance a goal. Ayeko Albert Yabua. Albert Yabua watu watune di kan etiama Legon Cities. Albert Yabua watu watuna edikan etiama Legon City. Justice Blay and the ball no coach Dennis Atuma and Albert Atuma LA pass. Edikoma Albert Yabua. One chance outside the 80 box. And now placebo on the Trotana Frederick Asare Wantimanya Woshi Albert Yabua Legon City for Ashe in the Premier League our Legon Sports Stadium. Albert Yabua was on the first goal this season.
And Asante Kotoko will come back stronger because Asante Kotoko near the hole. Say omo person omo equalize it because already omo 15 points and then omo tin omo win omo 18 points. They've tied with Tim and the Bibiani Costa. So let's see. Say goes in the flow in the side of Legon Cities and now Kotoko will come back stronger and probably win this game.
26 minutes. Yako our Frederick Justice Blasan Lusu Boni Bio Dennis Dennis Adumawura 8 box in a chance. Now so there be coach Ifeani Pakwasi Fabi or say Wabana no say on Tiasie. Corner kick ko Etiama na a chance Atima Legon cities. Corner kick Atima Legon cities. Body bona J box now so Kotoko format and pin bona fuel. Are you throwing? Eko Ediatia Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Wey any Kotoko match toso and 9 ewo away. Omo wini back against Karela. And Oma draw 2 games. Against Brekum Chelsea, Omoko Brekum Ecobo draw. Afei so Omoko Enyinase ene Baseke Holy Stars and so Ecobo 1-1. Legon City Pona Babeti Andus in team Pianyama Frederick Kasare Sarah Pianyama Justice Blade Gelepani O'Neill Onea de Bona Confirming Kumasi Asante Kotoko former Tenoni Crabono live coverage and at the University of Ghana Legon Sports Stadium at the Mamo where outstanding game week 6 Alitu Mohammed went to man control 21 minutes gone. Nate Obenchi Wakwaji Kasate de Fircoach Fenu Ogumo Fiki Keko Etiama Kumasi Asante Kotoko baby about that emu de Mali gon set to about 10 now so there be goalkeeper na pinball no ball na so 8 box no Alitu Mohammed wa pinball na fuel throw in a call Etiama Kumasi Asante Kotoko.
Now team and friend Krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko. If truly they want to win convincingly and if truly they want to earn a point at Legon Sports Stadium Ese Prosperity Ogum Ese from the 3 back. No ban normal 4-4-2 no ball. Because 3 back na Ekamia says Samba O'Neill, Justice Blay and Joseph Ablo. Communication. How and one said Justice Blay. I am one of the defenders for Muchu or Moody. And any defender be watching Moody piano. You could see the piano, the confidence level was very high. Now apart from that baller mistakenly or the chair Legon Cities a punish or more he has been very fantastic on the field of play.
University of Ghana Legon Sports Stadium 3 matches Omunshe goal Ewa Kupama Center referee Ajaba Asi Ibrahim was unbeaten 9 matches will be intimate and Shamo Awom Aya Premier League and tactically on the field. Now the side of team and the other Krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko being headed by Prosperity Ogum. You see, 3 back now making countless level of times. Yes, and I think sir Abrante and the Lord Amwa Abano was something to do. So into the no initially 3-5-2 no 3 back Ababa Ejumano. Now the midfield no Emmanuel Entry and yes Ohuna Jumo Jina Petchen so I am more than say or enjoy game no Entry should give her the diagonal passes and long passes to the up front, send your be clinical enough. Now, on the other side of team and the Legon Cities, it's either they protect the 1 goal that they are leading, and I said they score more. Because we had the second chance, they are creating all the chances in the game. Kotoko creativity. Oman Shebi and Kana Kotoko nya equalize and we are. Enya equalize and within 50 to 60 minutes now. Probably the set Kotoko betia shomano very so. Second half, no Ashasia na Bona Kwakoti Frederick Kasare. And the Kotoko 3 changes. Kotoko aye keeper Kwame Aziz. Wababone 10-10 Edibona actually Kotoko anafo. Ababeti Patrick Kasiedu. Patrick Asiedu atobo no ede ball na kwa animu Ababedi Manuel entry apia ball no Bonitente de achi etia box no Kumasi Asante Kotoko pia ball de ball na kwa chiri Kotoko apia etia chance for Kotoko go na so there be assistant line 2 Kugri Theophilus Osibonia offside Abrante Fene Abet Amoa assistant line 2 Sebono offside two players Abet Amoa a pinball now so assistant line 1 he was spot on offside Etia Kumasi Asante Kotoko. $52 minutes gone. Sima Mako Adunum Emienu Kojo Jesse Nanso Frederick Kasari Chibon Diama Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Bona Babeti Andrews Inti Manu ne Krabo Piamo de Bona Chim Dauda ne Krabon Kumasi Asante Kotoko Rai Tia box no Kotoko Abet Amoa watchba ko Abet watchimienu watiashe referee and to game no so Ponitente de bona fio Ababeti Legon City ana for referee waje free kick e de ama Kotoko Kumasi Asante Kotoko ura box no na so there be ya blocking a shot no Albert Amoa. So far 4 goals in the Premier League the last 3 games Nina Oshego Edema Kotoko no ene top scorer Edema Kumasi Asante Kotoko Albert Amoa watching Bako Mienu no the ball no 80 box no and not teacher now so referee said that be go kick a ball at the Etia. The body Etia Kumasi Asante Kotoko.
So I think, sir, if Legon Cities want to score more and end the 3 maximum points, especially 7 matches on my body, are yet to record their first victory in the year. That is correct. I think, sir, he needs to introduce new fresh legs in replace of Foster 2 in Abrante friendly Kojo Jesse.
Kotoko. Bonitente de bona chenanso another corner kick. Dennis Amoa. Dennis Atuma wapimbono amabono eko another corner kick. Dennis Atuma corner kick edema Kotoko Bonitente de bona chen bonda so 18 ya box no nanso Aaron Korti wakle bona fio Ababe di Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Abrante Fe Patrick Asiedu. Patrick ofi bench by enche. Piabon de bona kwa nimu Kotoko for Manteni Krabon or center circle. Dongani Abone Tenten Kotoko Beruaye Tabox and a Chamfu Kumasa Sandigo Nasu Debi Ali to Mohammed Abdul Baginum Sanso Emma corner kick Nate Ogun and Yapre Ujan Tachla won't even trust his answer. Legon City Peso Musabo Senko Mugarim. Corner kick at the Kotoko. Emmanuel Antia Bonitente Bonache Tiaboxunum. A pinball no now so that be Bonabo crossbar chance for Kotoko now so that be. Goal kick. Every Bafo Esan Kotoa Bonoso Nanso Poran and crossbar. Goal kick a ball Ediatia. Joseph Anedi campaign ball Emma Bono Kobo crossbar. Afe Abrante Anidin Eviche Bafo And so copying ball no mabono and on crossbar. Live on original TV. Saka Dauda ni krabo Tima Kotoko. Dauda yechano watiache aye referee free kick Ediama Saka Dauda. Join the man Kotoko. Apa beti Michael Che Jamana Tima Fabo na kwa beti Andrews in team. Andrews ne krabo about shot now so there be. Legon City for Montana block shot no. Emmanuel Antwi for Kotoko. Kumasi Asante Kotoko for Manto pressure Saka Dauda. Saka Dauda irina Fabo no so Dauda Chimio now so 2 against 1 Legon for Montana. And the krabo no. Legon City now so there be. Yamana kwa mananko Ababedi Joseph Fake call Yama Kotoko 64 minutes Sima Adiosia and 9 Asatan line 1 was the so na mentem wants to be air koso between Kotoko player and Ismail Amoa Siakan Sima Adiosia and Kron Eko Adiosun Tamini Legon City Asaba Kotoko Intimity Bonnet 10 the 80 ya boxing a chance for Kotoko now so there be short no Legon City Montana block short no throwing Emmanuel Antwi Atubo on the Monachim Bona Kwakoti Andrews in team Intima body akoma Lord Amoa Akodi Eviche Bafo Corner kick called Yama Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Emmanuel Antwi, former Accra Great Olympics player last season.
More, especially Oche Kwanya Branch and the Andrews Timenu. How would me running ever back, ever support the defenders in Saboni Kamua? Fantastic. And I think, sir, how Omaba game Omu making a lot of incursions, creating chances, compiling more pressure on the field of play in the day. Justice Kole, any moment from now to the 80 minutes in the day.
Patrick Kasiedu. Bonnet 10 to the Bona chain goalkeeper and Pia Ponte Bon that's way to box. Kumasi Asante Kotoko chana so defender na Ibona from another chance the man Kotoko now should I be referee aji penalty. A penalty called Yama Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Center referee Ayaba Asi Ibrahim. Waji penalty Yama Kotoko. Pona a penalty. Play back no. Center referee penalty Yama Kotoko. Albert Amoa. Albert Amoa betimi Amoa versus goalkeeper Kwame Aziz. Albert Amoa. Albert Amoa. A goal! Albert Amoa wateka diama Kumasi Asante Kotoko commenting wants to be koso etia box num. Albert Amoa wateka ediama Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Albert Amoa was any 5th goal ediama Kotoko. 4 consecutive games. Akosono. Ninyina Oshego.
Justice Kole, you see, the first ball now a ball. Legon City's defender no ensano. Referee ball play on. Thinking say Abia probably. Ball wapeje and insane. It wasn't intention. But the second one looks more clearer than the first one. And you could see that on to me dodge. because first one what me dodge, second one ultimate dodge in a high say go be beba. 70 to 80% say be free Kotoko, especially how one mountain much pressure on team and the Eddie Legon cities. Game in the next sequence minutes a be enemy. Bobo Kwanidi and the Asante Kotoko can come back stronger and win this match.
Yam just say Kotoko betima win almost second away game in their Premier League. 3 away games, some draw 2 away Bakupa against Karela. But now should I be Ayetu ni yato Ediatia Legon cities. Akasima Bakun Yamfabi and Tosana game no Ebana Wiye. Live on Original TV, live on Metro TV. Ghana Football Association app no Ubenya Biache. Samso Anna. Alpha Sports GH. And so Ubenya Biache. Bonabedi goalkeeper Kwame Aziz. $90 minutes na Aswanisa. A branch of Gilbani Onel Dongani Samba, the Congolese defender, throwing the Legon City. Piambo de Bona upon free Eddie Akoma Nasiru Smaila. Nasu Antima Fabona ko Emmanuel Anchi wa instrumental on Finfro. 4 for Pesha Edisima Enum Edia Toso. 5 more minutes to go. Legon City. Ali do a chance. A goal! A goal! Rahim Abdul Yaya. Rahim Abdul Yaya. What to attend Tosimiano Adama. What a lovely pass. Anna Yaya. Goalkeeper Father Kasare Wanwoshi. Joseph Amoa and Amasa, beautiful.
Abrante and the Steven Bruce. Why are there? Why are Juma? Especially the games in Nana. Most of the times on command starting lineup, there be off bench and ever. So it tells you, sir, a friend or best cementing position as to say, Parkwesi Fabian, Ebenya Gidio or Musa in a name subsequent against the then anymore on starting at the hour. Or no one is a boss up to him. Yamo, the one city Sabaso, from the first minute up to this hour, the fighting spirit. Anyhow, now, making sure, sir, on the comfort on the field of play, and making sure some creative chances in the game on the air. Justice College, very fantastic. Until said the 70th minute, almost started to defend. But you see, Koroko defenders always be ano, they be American. Abrante and Eddie Joseph Ablo, Lord Amwa, and Samba O'Neill, they were quite well watching. They were thinking, so referee by way so for offside. And referee
and it Adruno. Emmanuel Ancha control Bonatiama. Free kick Etiama against Accra Gate Olympus. And also now 1st June 2024. Stephen Mukwala Bopana Tetokune. And a bunch of the grip man. I said the only goal Etima Olympus. Way back, Kotoko first, about we have 5 minutes at the Tosanaso. Mount referee center referee Ayaba Asi Ibrahim. Ayaba Ibrahim was sent at the 90 minutes of soccer fiesta. Nina Banavier. Our University of Ghana, Legon. Kumasi Asante Kotoko.